One very easy example is we did a ticketing app, ticketing app for real tickets for a company. They had a event, a very big event, and before they were doing it like this, they have a big, like when you go to an event, you have a big list, and there's every name, and then someone comes with a ticket, and you look at the name, and then you scratch out the name, and it's very, it's tiring, and it's very prone to errors, and maybe someone has the name wrong then on the ticket, and then there's discussions, and then so what we did is we created, also to maybe give a little bit of the possibilities of Power Apps in this or the whole Power Platform in this example. When we say you can build internal apps, it doesn't, like, people sometimes not really understand what this means. You can implement these apps into like your teams, for example, or you can also implement them on your phone. So your colleagues or your workers can, for example, download the Power Apps app and then have access to all the apps you build on their mobile. So what we did is we built a mobile first app where they would just scan a QR code on the ticket. In the backend, very easily, they would have one SharePoint list, basically the paper list, but now digitalized. And the app would just check if this person is already scratched out. If yes, then tell the app, like, no, this person already is in there. Maybe someone is trying to use the same ticket twice. Or if no, then just scratch them out. And of course, we could give more information, like what kind of, in this specific company, they wanted to know about what kind of meal are they having? Are they vegetarian? Stuff like this. And we send all this information back to the app. So in the end of the day, what it looked like is the customers came, the people came, and the customer had just a laptop open, like a tablet, and the people would just hold their QR code against the camera. The app would automatically scan the code and then just show on the screen the information about this person. Person is now checked in at this time. Person goes this and that area, has this and that food, finished. And as people could just go scan, finished. So there wasn't even anyone scratching out anything anymore. It was all digitalized.